1, 2.
You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
For now.
And we're here in K-Town and we're checking out sumo dogs. Like E-Honda.
Alright.
And so they're actually known for their Japanese-inspired hot dogs.
Yeah. Good. Woo!
But they got other Asian flavors too.
Alright, so let's go check it out.
So what we get?
Damn. Oh, sumo dog.
So Trinell got the sumo dog.
Very fitting.
And
yeah.
you got the all beef. So you basically, when you come in here, you get to choose the kind of dog you want. Right? You can choose a pork dog. You can choose all beef hot dog. So like a Wagyu beef, they said. And then also vegan options. So they're vegan friendly.
Yep.
And some people just like eating vegetables.
Vegetables? Really? Really?
Vegan
community is gonna come after
or
you. Or
non-meat stuff.
They're gonna slaughter you on this fight.
I'm not vegan. Well,
shout out. But yeah, you got the banh mi.
I got the banh mi hot dog.
Explain what banh mi is.
So banh mi is like a Vietnamese sandwich, and they put like cilantro, they put chili, and then they actually put like the radish, carrots. You can see it there, and then they put some other dressings that they had, and they also put like sriracha mayo. Sriracha mayo is pretty popular on everything nowadays.
I like it. Sriracha, I don't really like mayo, but you put sriracha in it, we're good.
Then we got this. This is like their sumo rice. So it's like sumo rice tater tots. It's just Japanese rice in a tater tot and deep fried. It's kind of cool. And then Trinell got some traditional tater tots.
Bam, a little bit of seaweed on it.
Let's check out the tater tots first.
All right.
Just rice.
No, I can't do it.
That's all.
It is sticky. It's like peanut butter just eating
Yeah, because it's that. If you guys know the rice they use for like sushi,
that shit's sticky.
that's the same thing.
They just fried it.
It's alright.
It just stick into my teeth like Laffy Taffy. Shake that Laffy Taffy.
You just have hot mouth. I wonder why.
You know what? I can either confirm or deny.
Alright, but so the sumo dog is like what they're like known for, right? Let's check that out. And the cool thing is they'll have like different promotional dogs from time to time, so you can check back to see what they got. So they got stuff in this dog that Trinell didn't know about.
Look, I normally do a pretty decent job of looking up stuff before I come.
They got relish.
This is the one I didn't look up.
It's an all
and there was
beef.
a lot of stuff on there I did not know. So
It's all beef dog. It looks like they got, what is that? Like seaweed.
oh, there is relish.
Relish. Peppers.
Yep, there is seaweed.
The sriracha mayo that they got like all over the place dripping.
All right, we're gonna try it. You want the other half?
And orange
Ooh.
bell pepper. Fancy. And it's a sweet relish.
Actually, better than I expected.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And the casing is really good, so it's a nice bite to it once you take that first bite.
And their buns, their hot dog buns are actually pretty good. It tastes like it's a potato bun. Not bad at all. They're open till 12. Alright, so those are their banh mi. Those are banh mi hot dogs, so man.
I'm eating the rest of yours.
I love banh mi's. So hey,
Banh mi.
if you guys know of a good banh mi spot that you want us to check out, put it on the comments below. We're gonna try to check it out.
Let's do it.
Let's try this. I'm a little excited. I like that. That's a good hot dog. There's the radish and the carrots and the pepper. It really gives it a good crunch.
Tastes like banh mi?
not necessarily. I mean, like
It has
the-
elements, but it
has
doesn't actually
elements of
taste
it.
like it.
Doesn't taste like banh mi because you got other things like you'll have like liver spread on a banh mi and some other sauces. that
Yeah,
they
let's
put.
not put that on the hot dog, huh?
Actually, that might be good with it. That's the only time I'll eat with it. Oh,
What about it? You didn't eat it at Dinah's?
No, check out that
No?
video. We're talking about
You didn't eat it there?
that chicken was. I mean, their menu is actually pretty simple. They have like about 8 different hot dogs that you can choose from. You choose your 3 types of hot dogs, a couple desserts, all that stuff. They used to have a walk window because they used to be open until 2 a.m. But now they close at 12. But it's a pretty good spot. Like the prices are not bad because you can get a combo with a drink, hot dog, either fries, tater tots, like 2 different types of tater tots
Yep.
for like $11 or something like that.
It's
So,
pretty cheap.
Yeah, that's definitely budget friendly. What do you think about the hot dog?
Exactly that. It's pretty hot.
You bit the chili.
There's a whole bunch of jalapenos on the other side that I really didn't see. So, Woo. But no, it's good. Definitely like the sumo dog a little bit better. Just because I guess you could say the relish, the seaweed, the flavors are really good, especially with the bell peppers. So I'd pass on the banh mi.
I think next time I want to try out their Mitsu dog because like it has like this panko crusted hot dog. Thank you guys for joining us today. Also,
real.
if there's any other restaurants you guys want us to check out, put it on the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell
Ding, ding, ding,
notification
ding,
so
ding.
that way you can watch more videos just like this one. Share this with your family and friends. So love it.
Yep.
And we're going to catch you on the next video.
Peace.